Hello, this video will teach you how to use Quizizz. Quizizz is a self-paced learning tool that helps every student celebrate their achievements. Teachers can incorporate quizzes into instruction, review, and assessment. Here are some of my favorite features with Quizizz. You can conduct live competition games, assign fun quiz games for students to complete on their own as homework or solo assignments, and you can gather detailed data to help inform your instruction. So, let's get started. You're going to want to first navigate to quizizz.com on any web browser. Navigate to the right of your screen and sign up. The easiest way for you to sign up is with your Google account. Once you've done that, you're going to want to choose your role as a teacher and then connect to an organization. I've already set up my quizzes, so that page no longer comes up for me. However, you will see that page once you sign up. This is your teacher dashboard. It contains a library of public quizzes, my quizzes. Create takes you to the quiz editor so you can create your own quiz. Reports, which includes results of all the games you've hosted, your classes, and settings. You will also see over to the friend join a game and the refer a friend if you have another teacher that you'd like to refer. If you scroll down, you will see different content areas. If you click on My Quizzes, this is what you will see. You will see all of your quizzes. You will see any quizzes created by you. You will also see liked quizzes, any classes that you've created, as well as you're able to go up here and search quizzes or create a new quiz. I am going to click on a quiz. You will see how many times it's been played, the accuracy, the grade levels it could be for, play live, assign as homework, practice, which is solo practice. If you scroll down, you'll begin to notice that there are 10 questions. This is the amount of time the question is allotted for the student to answer. If you like, you can show your correct answers for you to see. The students will not see that when you assign it. So, I'm going to show you how to edit this quiz. Once you edit a quiz, you are able to change many different things about the quiz. The pictures, the questions, the amount of time each question has, whether it's public, language, you can align it to standards, and you can import questions from a spreadsheet. So this quiz looks pretty good. So I'm going to click Done. If I wanted to play live, assign as a homework, this gives you a date and time you want the homework to be finished. You can assign it to particular classes. Let's say I'll assign it to a class that I already have here. These are advanced settings where you can give them an amount of time to finish it and what your gameplay looks like. You can also assign random memes, and if you scroll through, you will see the different meme sets. So I'll just pick a random one and assign the game. This is what it will look like after you have already assigned the game to your students. So I am going to go back to the quiz, and I'm going to show you what it looks like when you play live. You can click Team, which are several students answering together. You can answer classics or a test. If you assign it as a test, at the very end, it will automatically give you a test score. So you don't have to necessarily assign this to a class once you're doing live gameplay. All you really need to do is click live, play live, and continue. So what will happen at this point is you'll get a code here, and it'll say joinmyquiz.com with the game code. You can share it several different ways: Google Classroom, copy the link, Remind, Canvas, Schoology, Microsoft Teams. Those are the most popular ones that we use. So the easiest way again is to have it come up on the screen, but you can also share via. So I'm going to take the code and I'm going to input it. I'm going to join the game. It will probably ask your students to sign up with Google. So I'm going to sign up to play. And once you click in, you will begin to hear your students the names pop up over here. So you'll see that you have a player here. I'm going to click start. So I just played a couple of the questions, and as you'll see, after you end the game or all the students have tested, you will get your class accuracy, toughest question, longest question, interesting facts, and you can download your results. So here is where you will get your information and ultimately your score. On the other side, students will also see what their score looks like: correct, incorrect, unattempted, and their average question time. If I was to go back and exit and go to my reports, I could take this information right here and download it to Excel. And that way I can find out how well my students tested. If I wanted to go and find the quiz, these are all the quizzes that are here. For keyboarding, I could also type in math, and you can find any math sets to help you in your classroom with your students. So once again, Quizizz is a lot of fun. It changes the way your quizzes and assessments are given in your classroom. Your students will love it. So if you spend a little time getting to know Quizizz, there are some very fun things that you can do. You can create do nouns, exit ticket, checks for understandings, assessments, midterms, just to take a little bit of a break from the normal way you do testing in your classroom. One other great thing about Quizizz is that you can do collections, and those collections can be different quizzes already stored inside particular classes. So again, you can play around with Quizizz a little bit, find out all that it has in store for you to learn, and it's really, really easy. If you wanted to even duplicate a quiz, those are very easy. So just spend some time, get to know Quizizz, and I hope you enjoyed this video.